you're only as good as your team. You can do 10 times what you could do as a singular person with a team. Each individual has their own abilities and qualities and stuff that they recognize or are better at, and have a different approach than you would to it. So more eyes on the problem is more solutions. One of my techs is a Honda technician, so he's very qualified and knows Hondas inside and out, and that kind of translates to all make and models. He has dealership experience, which is really good for this environment. And then we have an exhaust specialist. He can build a set of Y pipes for a hot rod, or a flex pipe on your Volkswagen. And I have another 2 technicians that are apprentices, one which runs our lube bay. So his experience as a mechanic translates very well to there because he has more experience with mechanical. So someone who has mechanical experience can, while doing an oil change, look for safety issues in your steering components, your brake components, can recognize things from experience, can recognize them from past, and that gives you a much better understanding of what's happening with the automotive. Budget, auto centers.